if you're experiencing issues with your pub graphics settings and need to recover them, follow these straightforward steps to restore optimal performance. Step 1. Access Game Settings. Launch PUBG and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Settings option, usually represented by a key icon, to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust graphics options. Step 2. Reset to Defaults. In the Graphics Settings tab, look for a Reset to Default button or option. This will restore all graphic settings to their original state, which can help resolve any issues caused by incorrect configurations. Step 3. Adjust graphic settings. After resetting, review each graphic setting such as resolution, texture quality, and effects. Adjust these settings according to your system's capabilities and your personal preferences for performance versus visual quality. Step 4. Save changes. Once you have made your adjustments, ensure you click the Apply or Save button to confirm the changes. This will ensure that your new settings are saved and will take effect the next time you play. Step 5. Restart the game. To finalize the recovery of your graphics settings, close the game and restart it. This will ensure that all changes are properly implemented and can help improve your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to recover and optimize your pub graphics settings effectively. Enjoy your game.